Oh my gosh, this is unbelievable. I hope it's gonna be over soon. Oh man. This is very, very scary because it's blowing sideways. I just hope that it calms down. Oh, I'm scared. I don't like it. I'm just glad we got home before this hit because we just had to go. We had to go to the grocery store and get a couple of things in. This is really, really bad. I sure hope everybody else is okay because this is awful, awful. But look how pretty it is. Ironic. Brian is going to check the house right now. You look so cute. Well, it looks like we have a river. A river is flowing beside our house now. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Holy mackerel. I can't believe it. Well, after what we just went through, I think that we deserve a big rainbow. Oh my gosh. Well, this is after the storm, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna see when I get over here. Wow. I am outside just trying to assess the damages because we had quite a bit of damage from the flood, but it's nothing we can't handle. The worst part is it's like 9 o'clock and the humidity is like 100%. I'm as usual, I'm out here pulling weeds, and it just got a little easier thanks to an awesome, generous, kind person, Bob Vance. I don't think he's the Bob Vance from Vance Refrigeration. If you watch The Office, you'll know what that means. Thank you, Bob. Bob sent this to Ace Hardware so we could go pick it up, and it's making my weeding a little bit easier. Thank you very much. I haven't gotten any footage using it, but I will try my best. It's very difficult because I've got sweat pouring in my eyes, and I don't know that I'm going to do any more today, but thank you very, very much. We really appreciate it. There's an ant bed by my feet. That's why there's ants everywhere. So I'm in the carport, which we had a landslide, which was like a big mud lava flow, and it flooded the carport with mud, so we're gonna have to remulch in here, but that's not a big deal. The main thing that happened was our water line got broken again, but we ordered some ranch pipe, and we're gonna our friend CJ is gonna help us to bury it this time, and so hopefully this won't happen anymore. And I'm crossing my fingers that the rain is over. Please, please don't let it rain anymore. It's enough already.
The curtain. There's music going.
Yeah, no. It's pretty quiet. You can't really hear it, but this is. I'm not gonna stand here and film this whole thing but this is how Brian's
the whole thing.
raising the curtain. It's real fun. It looks real fun. I saw a big lizard inside the house. It was just hanging out in there.
I saw a tarantula.
Oh boy.
Inside the house.
We're gonna have to get all that stuff out before we move in.
No, I thought we'd just leave it.
We'll just keep them as pets. But just in case I do decide to put it in, I'll say, if you hear a weird noise, I have a fan around my neck. It's pretty cool. So this is called hardware cloth, which makes no sense at all. Why would they call it wire mesh?
And your local hardware store might not know its name.
Obviously. Your big box stores.
Your big bucks.
All right, well, that's what he's doing.
So, here's the deal. Next time we plaster, right up to the window, all the way around.
Sweet.
This is going to be the test, whether
Yes.
we can plaster right up to the window and whether that's going to work.
Oh, wow. And this has been here for a while. This is holding up fantastic.
And also, this is almost filled. One more thing might do this all the way out, and we might just be whoosh, and you won't even see it.
That's great.